Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OpenSearch with fine-grained access control, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your OpenSearch dashboards. Navigate to the Security section in the left menu. Select the Roles tab to manage access control. Click on the Create Role button to initiate a new role. Enter a name for the role that reflects its purpose. Under the Cluster Permissions section, select the appropriate permissions for the role. Scroll down to the Index Permissions section to define specific index access. Enter the index patterns that the role should have access to. Specify the index permissions that users with this role will have, such as read, write, or delete. Next, go to the Tenant Permissions section if using multi-tenancy. Assign the appropriate tenant access as needed for the role. After configuring the role, click Create to save it. Now move to the Users tab within the Security section. Click on Create User to add a new user who will utilize this role. Fill in the required details, including username and password. Scroll down to the Roles field and assign the previously created role to this user. Click Create to finalize the user setup. Your user is now configured with the specified role and permissions. To verify the setup, log out of the current session. Log back in using the new user's credentials. Access various indices to ensure the role's permissions are correctly applied. Monitor any access issues to fine-tune the role and permissions as necessary. This completes the authorization process using fine-grained access control in OpenSearch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.